Hi everyone, hello, happy Independence Day from all of us at Ame-Tech Construction and Engineering Service. So we'll be asking you some few questions today and we would love you to give your answers. Okay, we'll be asking the first question should be what year did Nigeria gain independence? Okay, second question, who was Nigeria's first prime minister? Third question is how many local governments are in Nigeria? Over to the fourth question, what are Nigeria's national colors? I believe we all know this one. Fifth question, which is the largest city in Nigeria by population? The last question is what is Nigeria's national title? So if you got this question correct, clap for yourself and tell us in the comment section. Once again, happy Independence Day from all of us at Ame-Tech Construction and Engineering Service. Bye.
Generations to come.